Here's a big old winch. It's going to need a new cover with the drawstring on the bottom of it to be able to keep the weather off of it. Made out of black vinyl right there. First we need a center line mark. As you can see here, I went to all four corners and put in some darts to be able to make sure that everything fits good. Then we drape it over using that center line mark to be able to start fitting where we're going to put our darts on the corners and be able to find out where the bottom edge is. As you can see here, I glued the inside layer to another piece of vinyl to be able to double it up as per the customer's request. Right now I'm getting all four corners sewn together before I bind the back little cutout dip. Now that I have it draped over the winch, I can make my line for the bottom. First I'm binding the cutout. Now I got to make my strap for the drawstring. First elastic goes in to be able to get the stretch. Then you double it over and sew that piece together